letter, I'm making several waves. I know the mission is same. I made a splash, now all of my passes last like running a race with Usain. I keep it coming like this is buffet. And if I'm stumbling, I'm in the graves. Never gon' fumble it. I get the bag and I run with it, gunning it, gunning it, gunning it, gunning it.
Whatever you like. When the beat goes off, we bang to the. You can have whatever you like.
Whatever you like. You can have whatever you like. Whatever you make me lose it. You make me lose. You make me lose it. You make me lose.
You can have whatever you like. You can have whatever you like. When the beat goes off, we bang to the. You can have whatever you like.
Whatever you like. Like. You can have whatever you like. Whatever you make me lose it.
Hey guys, how's it going? So this week we're going to take a look at our diagnostic tools built into iPhones. So iOS has a back-end diagnostic tool that you could look at a lot of settings, kind of like if there's a dead pixel on your screen, and we'll go through them together. I haven't even actually messed with it that much. I thought it was a cool feature. Supposedly, I think it's from iPhone 12 and up. I have my iPhone 15 here, and we're gonna run through it with that. All right, guys. So let's jump to the overhead. And we have our overhead. We have our iPhone 15 Max here, and we're gonna take a run through it. All right. So in order to access this diagnostics tool that's built in, we need to shut the phone down first, right? So let's go ahead and do that. Right, you hold the top volume button and the right button, you hold it down for a couple of seconds, and you get the power off. So we'll go ahead and power this off. So we want to make sure this is fully down. And what we're going to do, once it's down for about 15 seconds, we're going to hold the up and down volume buttons at the same time while we plug power in. So we have this little S-Charge battery bank here. We're gonna use that for our power. It's gonna feel like it's gonna take a long time. It might take like 15-20 seconds during that boot up. You'll see the Apple logo. Do not stop at the Apple logo. Keep holding the buttons. And I'm gonna see what the easiest way for me to maneuver to press these two buttons. Holding it with one thumb for both buttons doesn't seem to do it for me. I really have to click and hold with two separate fingers. And I have the plug here. I'm plugging it in. I know you guys might not be able to see too much here, my hand being in the way. We got power here. Just keep holding. You can see we got the Apple logo there. Keep holding through that. Again, it's going to feel like it's taking a long time, but you know, it is going. Just keep holding. Okay, maybe it feels like it's longer than 15 seconds. I never timed this. There you go. So that is the magic diagnostic and repair section. So we're going to go ahead and go through this together. The thing I like about this channel and these... sorry, I'm just looking at some live comments. I'll get to them later. The thing I like about some of these tech tips and doing things live is I like doing it with you guys, right? I want to learn it. I want to see it, you know. And that's what these are kind of all about, right? So let's dive in. So let's hit continue. It's going to choose our Wi-Fi. Okay, diagnostic and repair privacy. I agree. So diagnose or repair. Okay, run diagnostics. Connecting to Apple support. So I don't know how much it does on device. I don't know if it takes logs and sends logs back to Apple support and then sends them back to the device. But we're gonna see here. Okay, so these are the options we have in here, right? So mobile resource inspector, audio and self-service repair, display pixel anomalies, multi-touch assist in identifying issues with multi-touch response, check FaceTime ID sensors, camera image quality. So these are all the options we have that we could test, or again, you know, Apple's opening it up for other people to repair their own devices if they have the right tools and the right stuff. So this is a step in the right direction. What do we want to look at? What should we... Let's do a basic one, the display pixel anomalies. I don't think I have anything wrong. But this, I think, is one of the shorter tests. Go ahead and start diagnostic. Display pixel anomalies, it's about 1 to 2 minutes. We won't run through all the tests here, but if you happen to be on and you want to see a quick test, then let me know. A series of color palettes will be shown on the device after selecting continue. For each color palette drawer on top on the device display to indicate if the display anomalies. Okay, so testing. Okay, so I guess the thing is if there's color. Well, I might have messed that up. I don't know. So how do you remove clicks? Strange, right? So if I click the side button, is there a skip option? Okay, so if you click the side button, there's a skip option. Really don't think you were supposed to click on the screen at all. Let's cancel. Let's see if we could cancel that. Mobile, well, let's see, learn more about mobile resource monitor. Initiate triage tool that checks the device's software version and validates the presence of parts. Again, it's about 1 to 2 minutes. Let's look at all these. Audio for self-service repair, plays a set of tones through the internal speakers and asks you to verify that you can hear the tones and they aren't distorted. Then the test asks you to record a short audio clip to confirm that each microphone can hear sound. So these, again, if you're questioning something, maybe run a test before you run to the Apple support, especially if you don't have one close by. Let's see what the multi-touch is. Assists in identifying issues with multi-touch response. Face ID, checks ID sensors, image quality. I wonder how that works. Anyhow, guys, that's how we get to the diagnostic tool inside the iPhone 15. Let me know if you have any questions. Let me know if you found it useful and if you've used it in the past. Definitely let me know down in the comments. All right, till next time.